Makai. Makai.
What? What's happening? Where am I?
You're in the new Makai's world.
What the? What is this place?
And stay tuned because later on in this video, Makai's going to tell you about a really cool plant that he learned about in school.
Yeah, so welcome back. We've been off the radar for a while. Do you know what off the radar means? What?
Not doing videos.
Yeah, it means that we have been kind of busy with other things, and that is because we had just made a big move, okay? And sometimes traveling doesn't mean that you're going to a different country or a big adventure. Sometimes the adventure is just moving down the road. So that's been our adventure, but it's been super, super consuming. So we're going to talk about it a little bit, okay? Yeah. Since you were born, we've lived where?
Next to Lazy Mom.
Yeah. So Lazy Mon is a bar restaurant that we had here in Puerto Viejo, Costa Rica. A business of ours that we've had for almost 9 years. And we just finished that project just a couple of weeks ago.
And I see a sloth right now.
You see a sloth right now?
Oh, I see a little cutie butt.
So we made a big move, big change in life, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because all you've known is living next to Lazy Mon, except we lived in Playa Negra for a little bit, right?
I was about to say that.
Yeah. And that was pretty cool because it was different, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And plus, you get to see things here that you didn't get to see at the other house, which was right on the beach, which is really cool. But, like as we just saw, we got to see a sloth climbing the tree. In the mornings, we see and hear monkeys. There's always toucans around. So, Makai's world has changed a bit from having a house living next to the beach, next to a bar, in the middle of town, to having the Makai's world jungle experience, huh? And that's pretty cool.
Yes.
So we're on to the next adventure, Makai's new world, and who knows what next year will bring. But while we're here at this location, we're gonna have some fun, enjoy it, and do some more of Makai's world adventures. Okay? All right. Sloth. Okay.
You see those ants?
Oh wow. Look at those bad boys.
There's a lot on the back. There you go.
Let's see if we can find some other flowers around here. Which ones are those?
There's a mosquito one.
They help keep mosquitoes away. How does that work?
There's a juice inside of them.
So should we get one?
If you want.
Explain to me what these.
They keep mosquitoes away.
Really?
Yeah. These are the best ones, the little ones.
Oh yeah?
They have the most.
Okay. So, go ahead and sit down and show me. How does it work?
There's like this juice.
Mm-hmm.
You put it on your body and it keeps the mosquitoes away and the ants and the bugs.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll rub it. Let me see. Oh wow, so you squeeze it.
Yeah, you squeeze it a little. You don't have to squeeze it too much. Because if you squeeze it too much,
me
a
see.
whole bunch is going to come out.
Okay. Interesting. And I just rub that on my arm?
Hmm? Yeah.
I'm glad to find out these are here. I don't have to buy bug spray so much. It's natural too.
Mm-hmm. Well, we don't even have to buy hit bug spray.
That's true.
Because after it's dry, the mosquitoes are not going to come after it's dry.
And where'd you learn about these?
At school.
Oh yeah? Which school?
My old school, because we went on a school trip one day.
Oh yeah? I'll have to find out what those are called. Because that's really cool. Because nobody likes a whole bunch of mosquitoes. And then you have to show that when Kennedy comes,
Yeah.
keep the mosquitoes away.
For Costa cousins.
Yep.
This is also good if you have, if it hurt.
Like a bite or like
Yeah.
scratch or something?
Yeah, scratch or something. They're good for that.
You're so fun here.
When it dries, they're not gonna get picked by so much mosquitoes.
Thank you.
All right. Good job, bud. Thank you.
Thanks, bug. What?
It kind of smells like citronella, doesn't it?
Interesting.
Yeah. So now we know.
I don't know what those ones are.
There's ants on these too.
tree. There's some more.
Drinking cacao? Okay, let's look at the bamboo. So it looks like they cut down the big pieces, huh?
Yeah.
So it's a little easier to maintain. They might have sold them. So you can take these little ones here. You can actually plant these. Cut it there.
You can cut this part.
I wonder if this is a fruit tree or not.
Yeah, this water apple.
It's a water apple tree.
Yeah.
Oh, you got water apple tree here too? What? I guess the season just passed, huh? There's only one of them on there. What? So water apple, you have star fruit, you have cacao. That's a tree with the spikes on it. I forget why it's got that on there. I bet Dex knows.
Huh?
I bet Dex knows. He knows a lot about nature and stuff.